morning. Here's Marty, and he just had his steroid pill and some food. He came to the foot of the bed and asked to go out at 5:30. I let him out, turned on the light, got back under the covers. 10 minutes later, I came back. He was standing, you know, right out there, saw me, and raced to come back in the house where it was warm. We were in the upper 20s last night, and it was not warm outside. Good morning, Morris. Hi, buddy. You want to come up here, or are you going to eat down there with Stripe? He goes, I'm going to eat down here, Mom. I want to see my buddy. I miss my buddy. He's been in the house. Come here, Morris. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good boy. Good boy. Well, I have not been back inside the house. I have gone through 3 7.5 amp hour Ego batteries, and I have done the driveway, the cul-de-sac, across the bridge, the walkway down from the steps, and the front yard. There are so many sweet gumballs down from the wind we had. It's just wow. So I had to do something. There's more I could do, but God, I've been out here over an hour hauling that heavy equipment around, and I think I'm ready to go in and freshen up a bit and take a break. Mostly I really could use to walk down the front yard again and water a couple things. I watered some stuff up here near the house. And hi, Morris. Hi, buddy. Come here. Come here. All right, you go with Stripey. Anyway, there's a few other things I could water this afternoon, tomorrow. We're very dry. We're 5 inches below where we're supposed to be. And we're in a definite moderate drought now, and I think we're going to bump up to whatever the next level is called if we don't get some rain soon. So normally I wouldn't water in the winter, but I had to water a little in the winter. There, you can see. I know there's a big shadow, but you can see that it looks better, especially across the bridge there. I did see a hawk up at the street. I did see a place where obviously they've been roosting in the trees up above, because there was white splotches on the ground below that was definitely big enough for the hawk. Hopefully the blower didn't mess them up too bad. See, everything's all blown. No more obstacle for FSD in the middle of the cul-de-sac. It's funny, sometimes it would go left and sometimes it would go right. Yeah. But there were thousands of sweet gumballs. They're all off over there in the rough. There's no grass there. It's just leaves and debris, and God, somebody's really littered our poor neighbor's yard. They come out and pick it up sometimes. We often pick it up too. It just sucks that people would even litter in their own neighborhood. Part of that screening on that fence came down in the wind yesterday. There were a lot of small branches this morning. Like I said, a ton of sweet gumballs had come down. It was quite the little wind event here yesterday, and it's so dry. One of the reasons why I kept on blowing today is everything was so dry it was blowing well. We're not expecting rain in the next few days, but it's just a lot easier to blow stuff you need to blow when it's not wet. So I took advantage of that. We're headed to work out at the gym. It's a little after 12:30.
There's your closing the trail.
Yeah, so the town, thanks Donnie, seriously for reminding me to talk about the stupidity of it. They put a thing and they said, we're closing the Jeff Welsh Trail for sewer system replacement for the rest of January, basically. And I posted and I said, well, you already had it closed for about 18 months for sewer replacement and you've repaved it, so why are we closing it again? And several other people from the town clicked like on my post. I mean, I just want to understand. We look like we were done. We planted the grass seed. We paved it, we reopened it. We never put out a thing that it was reopened, by the way, but but basically we moved the barricades away that nobody was listening to anyway, and now we're back in there. And remember, this project was only supposed to close stuff for like 6 months, and it's been 18 months. I would say somebody knew it was going to take 18 months to 2 years, but the person that I'm going to just go out on a limb and say the person that communicated to us, we can't really see, but the car will eventually move forward, that it was really going to take a while. But, they still nowhere near done, because the Howard Johnson Environmental Park, they got to redo the trail over there that they took out, and they haven't done that. Not even close. So, I don't know. But they're tearing it up again. Isn't that great? I'm so happy with them. I'm thrilled.
Sounds thrilled.
You got to be careful what you read on the internet.
Uh-oh.
Don's decided he's going to start trying to do hanging drops. Drop hangs, what do you call them?
Nothing like performance pressure she puts on me.
Well, we said we were going to see what we could.
That's right.
Bar hangs, hanging drop, I don't know. It's supposed to be good for stretching out your shoulders and your back if you don't kill yourself trying it.
Dead hang for 1 minute.
I'm going to try it too. I expect to not be able to hang by my weight. First off, I weigh too much. Second off, I've never had good upper body strength. And, I may not be able to do that. Maybe I shouldn't even try because of my surgery and messing up my chest is not bothering me anywhere today. No nerve issues or anything. Maybe I shouldn't try it. Dang it. We used to do penny drops in elementary school. We had one of those bars and we would hang by it, but that was no big deal. We would get up there, put our knees on the bar, hang upside down on our knees, and flip and land on our feet. And yes, I did that in elementary school. Got yesterday's video edited. I'm gonna at least do bags 6 and 7. It's 4:40 p.m. I just encourage Marty to come back inside with it being pretty chilly out there and the sun setting. Strike came in for a few minutes. Strike will demand to go back outside shortly. I am recharging my lights. They only take a few minutes to recharge. When the red light goes out, they're ready to go back where I need them. I ordered a few more things in the front yard. Sent another print to the printer. Like I said, I did yesterday's video, so it's all good. It's all good. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Psst, psst. Hi. Well, I got bags 6, 7, and 8 done. That was mostly the first floor of the furniture store building, but there was a few pieces put on this side. The pieces of furniture are super cool and interesting and have very interesting building techniques. And there's a trash can and some leaves and flowers out back. This sign on front of the furniture store is very hard to point at with this camera. Has a chair on it. It's not a sticker, it's a printed piece. So I'm thinking there's no stickers, and that's going to make me very happy. Adults love the quality of the printed piles, I want to say.